happening? It's your boy Danxelle, aka Wave Junkie, aka God's favorite, aka the youngest and freshest kid on the block. So yeah, I'm on this exclusive corner item, and I wanna perform Distance. That's like my favorite song of mine. So hope you're gonna love it. Yeah, hopefully you really like my craft. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah. Get Danxelle. All this distance. Yeah, this distance been messing me up. I need to see you more. I need to touch you more. I need to see you, so can we just run away and have some time to ourselves? To ourselves. So can we just run away and have some time to ourselves? To ourselves. Never gonna lose focus. Never gonna set my eye on another. Got a painting and I don't want no wahala. Shorty, wind up your waist. Shorty, wind up your waistline. Girl, you know that I love you. I will never ever hurt you. No, nobody else above you. For your love I'll do anything. Girl, you know that I love you. I will never ever hurt you. No, nobody else above you. For your love I'll do anything. All this distance. Yeah, this distance been messing me up. I need to see you more. I need to touch you more. I need to see you, so can we just run away and have some time to ourselves? To ourselves. So can we just run away and have some time to ourselves? To ourselves. So yeah, that was Distance. That's my yeah, like I say, my favorite song. So yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, that's Wave Junkie, and then follow me on Facebook, that's Danxelle, which is DANXELLE. Nah, thank you.